this is Sheetal here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another awesome video. I'm gonna unbox this AOMAIS Bluetooth speaker, and the specialty of the speaker is it has an IPX7 waterproof, which means you can immerse your speaker in water up to 1 meter for about 30 minutes and still it works. Isn't that cool? So now let's check out the box packing. It comes in this simple white box. You can see the AOMAIS branding over here, and this is how the speaker looks. There are some features of it here. It has a 10 hours playing time, Bluetooth and also NFC. That's nice. It has IPX7 waterproof and the model name is Sport 2. Now let's check out the backside of the box. Here we can see all the features of the speaker. It has NFC, Bluetooth, built-in speakerphone and rechargeable lithium-ion battery, and you can also see the list of components that we get in the box. There's nothing else written on the box, so let's unbox it. Here's the speaker. Let's keep it aside for now and check out what else we've got in the box. There's a USB cable for charging the speaker, and I've never seen a green color USB cable. A 3.5mm audio cable to connect the speaker to phone or computer. A user manual, make sure to read it once as it contains the complete information about the product. An inflatable swimming tube for the speaker so you can even take it while swimming. That is so crazy. I've never seen such thing for a speaker. So these were all the items that we've got in the box. Now let's check out the speaker. Let me remove it from this cover first. The speaker feels heavy. This is how it looks. It has a nice green color. It looks funky. And you can also see a passive bass radiator at the center. There's also one note over here. It says, please remember to seal up the flap for USB and aux port while using the water. It will damage the device. Okay. The build quality looks good. It feels solid. Now let's peel the sticker at the top. This design looks like a shoe sole to me. It has a nice smooth rubbery finish at the top. We have the power on off button, volume up down button, and the quality also looks good. And here we can see the NFC. And this is the bottom of the speaker. The design looks similar to the top. Even this has smooth rubber finish, and there's a 1/4" mount at the bottom, so you can place it on any other tripod. There's a flap over here and it says seal up while in water. I guess the warning note is about this. So guys, make sure to seal it while you're using it in water or else the speaker might get damaged. You can see the 3.5mm jack and USB cable ports over here. And the flap is really thick. I guess it doesn't allow the water through it once we seal it. And there's AOMAIS branding at the other side of the speaker. Now let's check out the audio quality of the speaker. Let's turn it on.
Powering on.
You can see a green light showing it's turned on and a blue light is flashing, which means it's not connected to any device. Let me bring my phone first. Okay. You can see the AOMAIS Sport 2. Yes. Now the blue light stopped flashing. It means it's connected to my device, and it got connected to my phone really fast. Now let me play some music and show you. And you can see the dual full range drivers over here through the grill. If you have two of these speakers, you can pair them and use them as true wireless stereo speakers and get up to 40-watt output. Now let's talk about the audio quality. The audio quality is good, the bass is punchy and the mids are crisp and clear, and the treble is also okay. But you can use it only up to 70% volume. After 70% there's a slight distortion in it. There's also an auto mute feature in it. If you don't play music for some time, then it goes into standby mode. And when you play the music again later, the speaker takes about fraction of a second to play the music. This is how the swimming tube looks. You have to place your speaker like this and you can take it along with you to pool. There's also an elastic strap to hold your speaker so it doesn't fall off the raft easily. Now let's talk about the battery life. It has a 2500 mAh lithium-ion battery. The charging time was about 3 hours and it worked for about 10 hours when played at 50% volume. The battery backup was really good. The red indicator glows over here when it's charging, and once it is charged, the red light goes off. So that was my unboxing and review of this AOMAIS Bluetooth speaker. The build quality is solid and the audio quality is good. But the only thing is the buttons are really hard to press. It costs about 5,969 rupees, and I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. So that's it for today guys. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos, and also hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. See you in my next one.